Well, it is currently 8 o'clock on a Saturday night and we are packing for Colorado. We are leaving early tomorrow morning. Well, early Monday morning. I am actually going to be selling at the market tomorrow. And then I'm flying out Monday morning, so it's actually Monday morning, but when you guys see this, it's going to be, you know what, let me just stop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be packing. I'm going to show you guys what I'm bringing to Colorado, and I figured, you know what, since I've been posting every day, might as well just show you guys what I'm bringing to Colorado and make a video out of it. So obviously I went to Colorado around this time last year, and I got a bunch of photos. If you guys follow me on Instagram at DITR954, you'll see, or whoa. If you'll follow me on my personal Instagram at emcvlogs, you'll see that I have a bunch of photos from Colorado. So what I kind of think when I'm looking to pack for Colorado is jackets that I did not bring last time, just because I already have photos of the other jackets, so I don't want to bring the same jackets. Now, granted, I did sell a lot of my old jackets that I had, but like, for example, this jacket, which is my favorite jacket, this fur jacket, I'm probably gonna not bring this just because I brought it 2 times now to Colorado. I brought it last year and then I brought it the year before. I got tons of photos, I got lots of wear, and I'm not gonna bring it this time just so I can have, you know, room for extra photos. So what I did was I actually pulled out this little jacket. This is actually a woman's jacket. I thrifted this. It's Esprit. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, Esprit. It's not E-Spirit. But I got this women's, here, I'll show you guys, like this flannel. So I'll show you guys, it's kind of like a overcoat jacket flannel. And I thrifted this metal shirt, and it has like blue color in it, so I feel like it matches perfectly. Now obviously I'm not gonna be wearing fucking, I'm trying to match the tops at the time being, because my bottoms are gonna be super easy. I'm gonna wear mainly just black pants or a blue pair of jeans. So I think this is gonna be one fit. You know, just a nice simple blue. What I'm gonna do is I'm wearing a lot of t-shirts and jackets. I could be wearing hoodies, but I felt like I'm just gonna be wearing t-shirts and accent jackets. I feel like it'll be a lot better. Temperatures are gonna be about high 50s and the low 30s. So it's not gonna be terribly cold this time, so I don't need to bring too heavy of stuff, which is good. So yeah, I think this is definitely a secured fit so far. Like I said, the little graphic tee matches perfectly with the colors. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna wear it with these black pants, which I wore to Colorado last year, and literally I did not wear almost any other pants. These are one of my favorite pants to wear. Super warm, like wool Hudson drop crotch. Almost reminds me of Rick Owens. I did go to TJ Maxx earlier and I actually pitted up this knitted beanie. I don't have a black beanie. I don't know where it went. All I have is a red one and then a neon yellow that matches my Yeezy slides. So I'm gonna definitely bring that, because I'm actually gonna be wearing this as an overcoat. I actually just finished painting it. This is gonna be an overcoat, so that way, you know, like I said, I'll wear this over this, for example, you know. So I did pick up this little knitted beanie, $7, can't go wrong. So we're gonna add that to the hat pile. We're not gonna bring too many hats. We're just gonna bring a black one, the neon yellow, a red one, which I don't know why I'm gonna bring the red one, but we'll see. And I don't think I need this one. This one, usually I bring when it's snowing, but again, it's not gonna be that cold, so I think I'm gonna leave that one. Scarf, I don't know if I'm gonna bring it. I'll see if it matches in an outfit. But we got one outfit down. Let's go to the next one. All right, now for airport vibes, I think I'm gonna do the Just Dawn little track pants that we got the other day with the neon yellow. So we're gonna do these. I'm gonna do a black short sleeve t-shirt, and then we're also gonna do, where's this hoodie at? We're gonna do this hoodie. Yeah, right here. Oh man, I forgot about this one. I'm gonna put that one to the side. I'm gonna wear this hoodie. I think it'll match perfect. Has the green hits on it. Has the green, and then you guys already know we can't go to Colorado without a pair of Yeezy slides. Let's go. So this is gonna be an airport fit. Yeezy slides, Just Dawn track pants with a hoodie. And then you guys saw the yellow jackets. So that's gonna be like the whole fit. Now, yes, it's gonna be kind of hot, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be fire. Comfy vibes. So fit number 2 done. Okay, outfit number 3 We're gonna do, I just washed these. My jeans I don't machine wash. Call me weirdo, whatever, I hand wash them. So I got these 501s, nice blue colorway. I released the hem on them, so I'm gonna wear those blue, another black tee, and then this time we're gonna wear this overcoat. Another woman's, I don't know why I fuck with the woman's piece, is so hard, but another woman's overcoat Zara. Let me put it on, show you guys what it looks like. This is by far gonna be one of my favorite fits, and when I go to Colorado, I am gonna show you guys obviously the fits. I'm gonna be taking fit photos like for my Instagram and shit, but again, blue 501 jeans, black tee, this, and then for shoes, we're gonna go with the Nike combat boots. If I can get to them up here. Bring these. Okay, outfit number 4. I'm thinking kind of cozy, warm vibes. So I'm thinking this big bird. Yo, if you guys could feel how soft this hoodie is, it is ridiculous. So I'm thinking this with this as an overcoat, right? Black and yellow. And then what pants? I think I might just do the black pants that I'm wearing also. So I think that's another fit. Let me try it on, see what it looks like. I'm feeling this. It's kind of, you know, comfy vibes, has like that little worker jacket vibe. I'm thinking again, black pants, maybe even blue jeans. This time I think we're gonna go with the pair of Air Forces. I'm not gonna bring brand new just because Colorado, I don't think I need to bring brand new. I think I'm gonna go with gently new. If you guys haven't seen my little Air collection, it goes from beaters to used, gently used, brand new. So let's go with these. Actually, I think I changed my mind. I think I'm just gonna change it up and go with these, just because these are size 12, the other ones are size 11. Those are a little bit tight on me. I'm gonna go with these. They're a little bit more beat too, but I think it'll be fire. Outfit number 4, super simple, just a super wash gray hoodie, a choice of pair of pants, and then my neon overcoat jacket. This is gonna be kind of just chilling, comfy vibes. I'm not gonna be doing too much. I'm not gonna be going on hikes. I'm not gonna be going on trails. This is really a vacation just to relax and just take a peace of mind for myself. So I don't need to pack, you know, anything nice. I'm not going with a girl this time, so I don't need to bring, you know, dress up clothes or nice boots or anything like that. I'm literally just going with me and Captain, so I can kind of bum it out and just wear comfy clothes and what I want to wear. So I'm just gonna continue packing up. I am gonna show you guys at the end what I like, my suitcase. I'll show you guys Captain's suitcase because he has a couple outfits he got to show you guys. He's about to take a bath. You ready for Colorado, dude?
Let me know when you take off.
Okay, yeah, I'll text you when I'm getting on the plane. You ready, Cap? Why are you on the seat, guy? All right, I love you.
Have a good one.
All right.
Be careful.
Come on. Yeah, I am. All right, guy, you ready? Let's go this way. Got Cap to the little doggy and express. Here, Cap, get some water. Go potty. You're about to make a mess, dude. Get some water and go potty, and then we're gonna go to the gate. Good job. Good boy. Get some water. You thirsty? Ooh. Want me to fill it some more? I'll take this off. Fill this up more. Here.
Please exit and follow signs for ground transportation and baggage claim. Please walk your step. All passengers, please exit.
Oh. So sorry. Things first, gotta get some cash because if you guys didn't know, dispensaries are only cash. So we gotta get some cash. Oh, 800 mint. Alright, I guess we'll do 800 then. Seriously, I gotta call my bank because I'm out of... Alright, let's see if we can go inside. Hello. I just need to get some cash out.
Okay.
The ATM is declining it because I'm out of state, I guess, for security reasons.
Okay, do you possibly have baseball money?
Yeah. Is it everywhere over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boulder County. I can show you to the teller.
My account, or is that the ATM limit?
Normally the ATM should go up to 3. Is it just that that's secure banking account ending in 1558?
Yeah.
You're trying to take money out of? Okay. How much were you trying to take?
1,000 even.
Okay. Let's go ahead and see what we can do on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1,000.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Nice, dude. Here, you want to go out to the balcony? Go on. Go. Have fun. Enjoy. Alright, well, this place is right across the street, so let's try this. Good Times Burger. She said it's alright. If I had to guess, maybe like a Five Guys or something, but let's give it a shot. It's worth it while we're here, and then let's go back to the hotel and get high. How's it going? Can I do the bacon cheeseburger combo?
Bacon cheeseburger.
The combo, the special right here, the limit time?
Oh, the cracked bacon cheese?
Yeah, sorry, cracked bacon cheese.
The cracked.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Alright, man. You want wild fries or natural fries?
What's better?
Wild fries.
Let's do wild. My first time here.
Alright, cool. And what do you want to drink?
Do you have lemonade?
Lemonade? Yep.
Yeah, let's do lemonade. Thank you.
Anything else, man?
That's it.
1034, please. You need a copy of yours?
No, I'm good.
Give me right up, man.
Thank you. So I just walked to this local Lucky's Market because I want to get some water and stuff like that to have at the hotel, because it does have like a little refrigerator in my hotel. Let's check this out, a little Lucky's Market. It looks like almost like a Whole Foods low-key. I don't know if it's a chain or not. I've never heard of it till Colorado, but let's go inside. Exactly like a Whole Foods. A lot of organic. All the veggies and stuff. Probably just get a couple gallons. I don't think I need anything else. I already have candy and snacks. Yeah, this is exactly like a Whole Foods or like Fresh Market. It's like probably the same owners if I had to guess. So much.